Hi, I am T-Shield. Car glass fogging is a natural phenomenon occurring during rainy season and humid conditions. During fogging, a thin white film of moisture or water droplets is formed on the inner or outer surface of windshields and windows. This thin layer of fog may sometimes obstruct view of person driving the car. Inner surface fogging of windshield and window happens when outside temperature is lower than cabin. To clear such fogging, turn car AC on and set air outlet to windshield mode. Also set air inlet to fresh air mode. Outer surface fogging of windshield and window happens when outside temperature is higher than cabin and air conditioning of car is in on condition. To clear such fogging, 1. Wiper can be operated once or twice to wipe out the thin layer of mist or moisture. 2. Set the air outlet to windshield mode and increase inside temperature as per requirement. 3. To clear fogging from windows of the car, roll the window down and up, where the strip at the bottom of the window will clear the fog. 4. Vehicles equipped with rear defogger defog rear windshield using defogger. I am here to educate you and enable you to handle the day-to-day difficulties with ease. I am T-Shield.